10 amazing benefits of cats. 1. Reduces stress. That soothing purring, it lowers your stress and calms your heart. 2. Fights depression. Cats bring joy, comfort, and emotional support naturally. 3. Improves sleep. Their purring can actually help you fall asleep faster. 4. Builds responsibility. Taking care of a cat teaches both kids and adults responsibility. 5. Boosts immunity in kids. Growing up with cats may reduce the risk of allergies. 6. Reduces loneliness. Living alone? A cat can be your cuddly companion. 7. Balances blood pressure. Studies show cat owners often have more stable blood pressure. 8. Makes life happier. Cats are funny, playful, and full of cute surprises. 9. Natural pest control. Say goodbye to mice and small intruders, and the cats keep them away. 10. Helps kids develop social skills. Cats teach children empathy, calmness, and care. For more helpful videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.